Welcome to importing part and assembly files using 3D InterOp. InterOp provides an efficient way to extract the complete product structure for large assembly files, thereby allowing engineering applications selective loading of individual nodes of the assembly, subassemblies, or the entire assembly using multiprocess translations in the background. InterOp-enabled applications on ASUS, CGM, and Parasolid modeling kernels have the advantage of importing precise, high-quality geometry from part files and reusing them in their application. InterOp provides applications the ability to import files from all leading CAD formats, like CATIA V5 and V4, Pro Engineer, Unigraphics NX, SolidWorks, Inventor, and standard formats like STEP, IGES, VDA, ASUS, and Parasolid. InterOp uses native data access libraries from CATIA and SolidWorks, allowing applications to import the highest quality of data from these formats. Engineering applications in CAD, CAM, CAE, and CMM have the need to import existing CAD designs for the purpose of reusing them. Successful geometrical and topological operations allow engineering applications to reuse CAD designs for manufacturing and analysis purposes. InterOp provides automatic healing and cleanup of imported data using native kernel libraries, allowing your applications to reuse existing CAD designs. InterOp-enabled applications can do lightweight loading of large parts and assemblies as a precursor to loading complete geometrical information. Applications using InterOp Graphical can import tessellation of geometry and PMI, allowing for quick preview of models with complete visual fidelity. Product manufacturing information data attached to parts and assemblies is essential for tolerance analysis and inspection in engineering applications. InterOp provides semantic and graphical PMI with complete associativity to model geometry, as well as accurate definition of notes, geometric dimensioning, and tolerances, datum targets, and surface roughness. For additional information on 3D InterOp, please contact Spatial.